What are the main goals of human rights organizations? In today's rapidly changing world, the role of human rights organizations is more vital than ever. With conflicts escalating in various regions, many individuals are searching for clarity on what these organizations aim to achieve. Understanding their goals can help us grasp the importance of their work in protecting human rights. Human rights organizations primarily aim to protect and uphold the dignity, rights, and freedoms of individuals, especially in contexts affected by conflict and violence. One major goal is the protection of civilians in armed conflict. These organizations work tirelessly to ensure that civilians are safeguarded from the effects of war. This includes preventing unlawful killings, torture, and other abuses, aligning with the standards set by the Geneva Conventions. Another important objective is the promotion and monitoring of compliance with international humanitarian law. Human rights organizations strive to ensure that parties involved in armed conflicts respect the rules established by treaties. This includes the treatment of prisoners of war and the wounded. Documentation and reporting of violations is also a key focus. Human rights groups gather evidence and report on violations of humanitarian law and human rights abuses. This helps hold perpetrators accountable and informs international bodies about the situation on the ground. Advocacy for legal and policy reforms is another crucial aspect of their work. These organizations push for the implementation and strengthening of laws and policies that protect human rights. This is especially important in post-conflict reconstruction efforts. Support for vulnerable and marginalized groups is a priority as well. Many organizations focus on protecting those disproportionately affected by conflict, such as children, women, minorities, and displaced persons. They work to ensure that the specific rights of these groups are recognized and upheld. Raising awareness and education about rights under humanitarian law is also a significant goal. Human rights organizations educate affected populations and the international community about their rights. This helps foster respect and compliance with these rights. Finally, facilitating access to humanitarian assistance is essential. These organizations ensure that aid reaches those in need without discrimination. They also work to ensure that humanitarian actors can operate safely and effectively in conflict zones. In summary, the goals of human rights organizations are interconnected and aim to reduce suffering during armed conflicts. They uphold human dignity and promote justice and accountability for violations of international humanitarian law and human rights.